Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Minecraft connection timeout error. So in this video will be a lot of fixes from easiest to the hardest, and these hardest fixes will be not too hard at all. So stick with me and I will show you everything what you need to do here. So first, what I suggest to do here is to open a browser and then you just need to test your internet speed. Go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you having good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. And then we can proceed with other steps. Other step is open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. And here you need to put few commands. First one is nesh winsock reset. Another command is IP config space / flush DNS. Right? And after that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to a network and internet, advanced network settings, and reset network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do here nothing. Then what you need to do here, you need to open up a control panel. On control panel, you need to select by category, then select network and internet, network and sharing center, then select change adapter settings, right click on your internet connection, go to properties, then go to internet protocol version 4, and then select use the following server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, look if the problem persists. If this did not work, then what you need to do here, you just need to write run or press Windows and I key. And then here you just need to write gpedit.msc. Then on this new window, you need to look for Windows settings. Click on Windows settings. Then what you need to do here, go to policy-based QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS settings, then go to DSCP marking override, select control DSCP marking requests and select ignored. Then what you need to do here, right click again, create new policy, give it a name, give it Minecraft. Then you need to write here 46, then click next, select only applications with this executable name, then run Minecraft launcher, open up task manager, then go to details, and then look for Minecraft, right click on it, and then as you can see here, it should be open file location. And once you open file location, you should find Minecraft exe file. So remember how it's written. So it's, for me, it's normal minecraft.exe, and copy the path because we will need that later. Then what you need to do here is to go back, and then you just need to write minecraft.exe, right? Click next. These options are good. Then select DSCP and UDP, and then press finish. And then restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature, and then look if the Minecraft is added here. If it's not added, what you need to do here, you need to, as you can see here, for me, I already got it. You need to select change settings, allow another app, browse. And then you just need to paste the path and then add Minecraft exe file. If you have Minecraft from Xbox app, probably there is no option for you to add it. But if you bought it not from the Xbox app, it should work for you. Then what you need to do here, go to virus and threat protection. Then on virus and threat protection, select as you can see here, manage settings. And here, you need to scroll down until you see exclusions. And then here, select add an exclusion. Then select folder. Select folder. And then paste the folder here that we copied earlier. Then select the folder. And then look if the problem persists or not. And if all fixes do not work, I highly advise you to use exit lag. Don't worry, it has 1 week free trial and you don't need to put any credit card details. You just need to download it and try it if it's working for you or not. Because I play CS2 and I always get packet loss, but with this app, I do not have any packet loss, and my internet is quite good, as you saw from internet test. So basically what it does, sometimes game do not always connect to the nearest server, and then it can be connection timeouts, it can be packet losses and more. So with this exit lag app, it will connect to the nearest server and it should be no problems with that. All you need to do here is to look for Minecraft here. Then what you need to do here is to select your region here and then apply routes. And then just launch the game and look if the problem persists. I will leave the link in the description below where you can create an account. If you, for example, if it's working for you and you decide to pay a subscription, I will get small commission for that. But nevertheless, it's completely free. All you need to do here is to just do not purchase first when you click the link in the description below. Just create an account and log into that account, and then you will able to download this app and then try to launch Minecraft and trying to launch the game and look if you're having problems or not. And yeah, if nothing changes, you can delete it and that's it. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.